Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Um, Today I will show you how to install and configure your emulator for 3DO Interactive. And I'm sorry I had to remake this video from scratch because YouTube just deleted my previous video because there's few steps apparently I cannot show you. So I'm sorry for this, and if you struggle, just leave me comments and I will try to help you out. But first, you will need the emulator. So the emulator we are using, it's called Phoenix Emu project. So if you Google it, you will find a wiki page that's explaining everything about this, and you will see also um, uh, a link for the website of the dev. So if you go to the website, then you can check it out, and there's everything you need here. So you will need the emulator, and the emulator is installation for Windows, and you just grab your version corresponding to your CPU. There's also archive link, and in this place, if we go inside, you will be able to have an English patch because this is writing in a different language. So just use this patch to make it in English. So the patch is here. So as soon as you will have these files, you will need also something called Reshade to make the border appearing for the game. So as soon as you get these files, you will have the emulator. So just create inside your folder. For example, me, I'm using here in the emulator, and I just make Phoenix Emu project, and I just drag and drops everything's inside. And same things for the English patch. You will copy these three things. You have also a readme file, so just read this if you struggle, and you just extract also here in the root. You will need to create a folder called 3DO, and inside you will need to create a BIOS folder, and you need to find the BIOS by yourself and the game also by yourself, and just put your BIOS here actually, and it will run perfectly, and all your games going in this place in CD-ROM. If they are CDs, if they are FMV, they're going here, and if they are font ROMs, they're going here. So as soon as you have done this, you need also Reshade. So just drag and drop the exe of Reshade inside your, or you can run it anywhere else, whatever. Me, I put inside to just keep it clear, and I know this emulator is using Reshade. So if you open Reshade and you select for the exe, so the Phoenix Emu project, you go to OpenGL. And for me, because it's already done, you won't have this page for the first time, but me, you will get to this page. So just uncheck everything and just keep border FX. Okay, you just unchecked everything. You don't need all these things inside. Then you go next, and then okay, Reshade is done. So you can close. And now if you start your emulator, you should have Reshade coming here, and you see like the borders coming. If you don't see these things, you can go to View, and you can go All Platforms, Toolbar, and Collection. So you just check all of these, okay? You don't need this affiliate project like this. Okay. So for 3DO, you will need to select the 3DO here. You will need to apply the CD-ROM. So you open a CD-ROM image file and then you put the CD here. You need the BIOS also selected. And as soon as everything is selected, if you push this power button, the game should start actually. And wait a few seconds because you know it's taking time to load. Yes, and 3DO and everything. The music will come, the game will come, whatever. Okay. Now, if you want to stop and start, it's here. If you want to go full screen, it's here. Okay. It's also F11. So now you have this thing inside also settings. This is my settings. So for the light gun, you need to configure your light gun. So you just selecting here light gun, you go create, and then he will ask you here for your button. So you will need fire. So fire for me it will be a left click. So I'm just making a right click in this area, and then you selected cursor, left button. For reload, I need right button. X coordinate, I want cursor, X coordinate. Y coordinate, also same things, you know, cursor, X coordinate. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. X coordinates. For service button, you can choose whatever you want. Button on your keyboard. Same for the coins. Same for the start. You choose whatever you want. You can choose also your button on your gun if you have Hostler, whatever, and then press enter to accept. And you see now it's creating your configuration with your keys. Mine is already done, so I delete this one. Okay. Video, this is what I have put inside. Audio and others. You don't touch anything. So as soon as this is set up and working inside your emulator, just escape. And now we're going to Launchbox. And inside Launchbox, you will add your game. So you go import ROM files, and then you just go and select your game and create a platform called 3DO Interactive Multiplayer. And as soon as this is done, you will make emulator. Or first you do the emulator before the run, sorry. You do the emulator, you add a new emulator, and inside this emulator, you will name it Phoenix Emu Project. Your application path is going to the exe. Then you remove the file extension, and inside the association platform, you will say 3DO Interactive, and you just add this platform equal 3DO file as a default emulator. And you have to put this command line, otherwise it doesn't work. And for the running script, this is what actually is happening. It's waiting for 3 seconds, going to full screen, and then waiting for 1 second and sending the save states load to go to the beginning of the game and bypass all the video and escape. This is what's happening. Okay, I think you have everything. And now, if we go to Demolition Man and we start to play, it's going like this, going full screen, and the game starts. Like this. Very easy. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and yeah. Now I will show you a few things. As you see, we have the crosshair from the game, and he will jump on the roof. Woohoo! So when you're shooting, actually, Your gun won't move, but it will always move to the latest place where he shoots. So don't worry about this. But you see, it's working actually. So if you press escape, then everything's going back as it is. So hope this tutorial helped you guys, and take cares. Leave a comment, make a thumbs up if you like it, or if it helped you. You know what to do. Cheers, and see you next time. Bye bye.